Hi, so now we've looked at some of the basic concepts of getting started with cleaning your data in Tableau and Excel. To review, you want to format your data, then figure out what type of data is in each column, then change the numeric data so that it has a decimal point in it so that it's recognizable as numeric. Then use text to columns in any places that you need to separate the data where more than one value is in a cell. Then you want to figure out how missing data is labeled and change the missing data to something that's obviously missing, preferably something like null, not a number. Then you want to find out how the not applicable data is labeled and change that to something that is different than missing, but is also preferably not a number, maybe something like NA. Then you want to go through and make sure that the strings or the word variables are spelled consistently, so that New York is spelled New York in every single case, not New York, NY, NYC, and so that if you do an analysis, you'll get weird counts. You want to standardize the string variables. You want to understand how the units are being counted for all of your numeric variables, and if you don't know, spend some time and go back and find out so that you don't lose a spaceship. Then you want to check for outliers. Outliers are impossible values or unlikely values, and spend some time figuring out which it is. If it is an outlier, if it's something that's very different than the other data, is that because it's impossible and somebody made a mistake entering it? Or is it because it's unlikely and therefore might be interesting or might be problematic? And make sure each step of the way that you keep track of exactly what changes you're making to your Excel spreadsheet or your Tableau spreadsheet, and make sure that you save it in a way that you can find it again. Thanks.